Hello again. So here we have the original 8K Commodore PET 2001 series with a Chiclet keyboard and the data set built in. It's out of the box. The packing material is in the box. All that's left is to remove the bag, and I'm suspecting, I'm just going to reach underneath here, that the screws are in it. Yes, they are. So there's nothing to be seen inside at the moment. The cord is, of course, the original PETs came with a cord attached, so the cord, like a leash, is wrapped around the monitor. At first glance, it does look to be in very, very, very lovely shape. And there's even a cassette in the data set. And oh, it is not a Commodore tape. It says something or other audio grade. So indeed, there is a tape. What could be on it? We just don't know. We just don't know. So now I have to figure out, I'm not sure, I don't think this bag is sealed, but I will find out, and I will get it off, and I will put it in the box. And then, if I am very, very brave, and I think I am very, very brave, I will get the power cord and plug it in and turn it on, where I very much hope to see a message, something like 7,167 bytes free and a little flashing cursor. I am so hopeful. Anyway, thanks again for coming. Stay tuned. The bag is coming off. Bye for now.